Oh, good Lord. This is a little unnerving. I just took a peek in here. This might be the most horrific thing I've ever seen. I can't believe I'm touching this with my hands. This amp is from the early to mid 50s. This is kind of one of those amps where you're wondering if you should even take this on. This is horrible. Okay. Oh, it's a horror show. Not an insult. It just, I don't even know if this amp is playable. Oh. All right, there's no way to get good lighting on this. Looks like a bulb. It's wired right in parallel with the pilot lamp there. We have some gross caps back there, just buried way down. There's a filter cap way under there. Just kind of a horror show in here. I vacuumed out a lot. It's just been sitting up. Kind of a horror show. I'm just wondering if I'm going to take this on. Guess it's not that bad. It's kind of tough to get in there, but I'll get the chassis out before I make any judgments. All right, so all right. Oh God, am I gonna do this? I think I'm gonna do it. Get these just cleaned up a little bit. It's a little horrible. It's a 5Y3. I just don't know if I would play this. Of these guys. I can't touch my camera, my hands are filthy. What are these? These are 6973s. Wow, the plates are banged up. I don't know if you can see this. How banged up those plates are. See that? This is going to be an incredibly hazardous restoration. This is the old model 6161, by the way. There's a lot of environmental contaminants inside of this cabinet. I'm wondering what I'm gonna do. These aren't bayonet styles. This is kind of before that. Nice to see 12AX7s in there, huh? Little RCAs. The chassis is mercifully small. Super thin sheet metal, kind of a C shape. They do that Valco thing with the wooden blocks. Oh my God, I'm gonna need another shower. Relatively shallow chassis. Sometimes you got to get through the shock. Yeah, the initial shock of seeing something in this condition. And once you do that, the possibility of being able to actually service it will materialize.